I'm Nathan O'Reilly. I'm the senior captain of the robotics team this year. So right now we're testing our shooter systems. Each year we have a different challenge, and this year the challenge involves shooting a ball with a 7-inch diameter, about 8 feet and 2 inches and a quarter up into the air. Test from various distances, we can see how that changes the trajectory of the ball and the placement and the overall distance to see if theoretically we'd be able to make our shots. So this is just a shooter. Now we also need to have a mechanism to pick up the ball and to store the ball. So first off, our robot needs to be able to drive around. We have an intake system it'll be a series of spinning wheels where we'll drive in and be able to pick up the ball. And then we have a storage system used with polyurethane tubing, kind of like an elevator. So the ball will go up the elevator and we can store up to 5 of them and then shoot them all, with the shooter being right on top. The final aspect is a climbing mechanism powered by pneumatics. It'll be on the sides and it'll be able to reach up, grab onto a bar, and then pull the whole robot itself up. Most of it gets done here. Currently we have 26 team members, which is all grades through freshman year through senior year, so 9 through 12. We do a lot of events for younger kids and trying to get them involved in the ideals of STEM, where you're using a lot of these engineering processes where they can be applicable to their futures as well. So I'd like to say that this has been a really great event to me. I'm really happy to be the captain this year, and I'm looking forward to a great season.
Hello, my name is Eric Durance, and along with Joe Marquis here, we're both electrical engineering mentors for the Iron Tigers 4176, accompanied by...
My name is Omar Ghani. I've been mentoring the team since the start of the team.
Just to be clear, the Iron Tigers are a student-led organization. That's why they don't call us teachers. We're mentors. We don't lead the kids, we help them and we answer their questions, and we give them guidance in the profession of engineering and STEM. What we're working on now is a prototype, and we, as the students, we're teaching them how to build a ball shooter.
I'm Abigail Holmes. I'm the build captain on the robotics team, and I'm a senior at OA. This is mostly where we fabricate a lot of our parts. For example, we use the saw to cut 80/20 or metal square tubing that we have stock of over here.
Hi, I'm Sarah Taylor, junior captain of the Iron Tigers robotics team. So this is where most of our robot build happens. We have all our tools in here, as you can see. We store all our stuff in here during the day while school's happening, and once school lets out, we all come down here, figure out what we're going to do for the day, and then either work in here, the computer lab, and sometimes we migrate out into the hallway because this room is smaller than it may seem.
Do you actually build the robots in this room?
Sometimes.
Okay.
Sometimes we build the robots in here. Once again, it's kind of small. We have a larger team than can reasonably and comfortably work in here. So we also sometimes we'll take the build aspect into the computer lab to have a bit more space to work.
But you build all of the computers, all of the robots from scratch?
Yes, pretty much from scratch. Once school lets out, we all come down here. It's just us creating a design to fulfill the year's challenge.
So right now we are in the computer lab. This is where a lot of our design happens. Our design mentor and / captain, Gabe, is not here today. But normally he's sitting right where Zyra's sitting and working on the CADing the robot. So it's like a 3D design of what we are going to be building as the build team.
My name is Zoe George. I'm the awards and communications captain for the team. We try to go for a variety of awards. Outside in the trophy case, we have won things such as the safety award, which I work with Zyra on. There's the spirit award, which measures team spirit at events, so like cheering and what we wear.
It's really about the STEM. It's teaching science, technology, engineering, and mathematics to students that otherwise would not have the ability to learn that at a normal public high school. They don't teach this in their normal curriculum. So we're here to get them excited about the engineering sciences and to get them introduced to STEM as a whole. We have a very high success rate of students graduating all of our aims going on to be engineers.
Thank you, Easton Lions Club!